So September is done for, and it's time for the app of the month. Mr. Sari wasn't able to give you guys the app of the month this time around. She's got a lot of work going on that she has to complete. So I'm taking this opportunity to talk to you guys about the app of the month. Sorry for the sweet voice disappointment. Just gotta bear with me. Let's go. This month's app of the month I would love you guys to try out is Clip Claps. And before then, if at any point of this video you enjoy the content I provide, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon. Clip Claps is an app that actually helps you to make money whilst watching funny videos. Not any random videos, but videos that will make you laugh. Now, there's another side to this whole thing. So with Clip Claps, what you're going to get is you're going to watch a video, you get a reward. The reward then gives you points, which then builds up or add up to form an amount you can withdraw. I have a referral link in the description or the first pinned comment, which if you click on, you can go ahead and then obtain $1 immediately you sign up with my referral link. Once you sign up, you get $1, but then you can't withdraw that money. To be honest with you, you have to hit a threshold of $10. I've used this app for 3-4 months and I recently had to withdraw my money, which was $10. I had $12, but then I could withdraw only $10 since that is the amount I could pick up. I'm left with $2 and like you can see in the screen recording, I just have $2 left in my account. Now it's hard to get the money, but if you can get referrals, if you can play the games on there and consistently watch videos, I think you should hit the peak or the threshold immediately or very quickly than you could ever think of. So I'd like you guys to try it out. Like I said, I've left the link in the description. Do make it a point to download it using the link so that you can get $1 instantly. I'm Del P. This has been the app of the month. Stay safe. Peace out.